Hi everybody, it's Jen, and this is a ASC Supply Design Team project. So this is a 4x8 by 2-inch mini album, and I used the Make a Splash collection from Graphic 45. Last week I did a video on an 8x8, and today this is from the scraps, and I still have a little bit more, so we'll see what else we can make. So this is ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com, and you can use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And let's start. So I used a craft card base over chipboard. I used the ephemera pack. I did not fussy cut anything. And the stickers for the spine and on the back. And then every page is the same, so I'm not going to pull out, almost every page is the same, so I'm not going to pull out every tag, but the front has a little cut apart here and then a sticker on the bottom. Every page has this pocket flap with a purple insert in it. The page opens and then there's a side flap, and we shut it. And then there's another flap here, and that is a page. So we're gonna go through every single one of them. Most of them are color coded or color blocked, blue and then purple, and then some are both. And every page has that tag, so I'm just not pulling that out. There's the blue, another purple. And there's one that I have a heck of a time getting back in that pocket. And this paper was really whimsical. Now on the inside, the middle gusset with the page system, which I've done quite a lot of lately, has a 1/2-inch gusset instead of a 1/4-inch gusset. So I utilize that for waterfall. So these are magnetic. And if you want magnets from ASC Supplies, you have to go to the website and not the Etsy store. So asccraftsupplies.com. because Etsy won't let her sell the magnets on Etsy for some reason. And I only matted the front of these. But there are 6 3x3 little waterfalls there. And then we're back to the normal pages. So it makes it a little easier when you make all the pages the same. Just from a cutting standpoint. Glue, and then there's the last page. So there is my mini album. So again, head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.